Tech Coach Gina here, and today I'm going to show you how to verify whether your GoDaddy domain renewed. So you'll go to godaddy.com and you'll log in with your username and password. You might have to put in a code to authenticate, but once you're logged in, you might see your business at the top. So right now I'm in the dashboard view, but to check on your domain, you'll go to Domain, and it will show whether auto renew is on or off, and you can also renew it now if you'd like to, but this just renewed, so I'm not going to renew it again, but it'll show you the costs really quickly, and if you wanted to sell the domain, how much that would cost, and also whether you have your domain protected. So if you want to have a website, then GoDaddy has a builder, but I actually don't recommend going that route. What I recommend is getting a WordPress website and going to Christina Hills for instructions. So she has a number of really excellent resources right here, and here's an all access page where you can get the essential website pages, you can get the roadmap for non-techies, you can also get this replay on how to easily create a beautiful website with WordPress, and of course you can enroll if you need more help with her website creation workshop program. So I highly recommend doing this. If you have any questions, you can email support@websitecreationworkshop.com and let them know that Tech Coach Gina Decker sent you, and you can always message me on Facebook or in my Facebook group if you have any additional questions about the bonuses that I'll link in the comments. Have a great day.